World Economic Situation and Prospects 2020. The United Nations Conference on Trade and Development UNCTAD, United Nations Department of Economic and Social Affairs UNDESA, UNDISA, and 5 United Nations Regional Economic Commissions have jointly released World Economic Situation and Prospects WESP recently report. The report warns about the strong economic risks, deep political polarizations, and increasing skepticism about the benefits of the multilateralism, that is globalization you can call. The key points related to India are: the report suggested that India needs to implement structural reforms to face a global as well as domestic economic slowdown. The combination of fiscal stimulus, loose monetary policy, and financial sector reforms is expected to support a recovery in the GDP growth to 6.6%. India experienced a sharp drop from 6.8% in 2018 to 5.7% in 2019. The report also indicated that India may be among the few countries where the per capita GDP growth rate could expect 4% in 2020. Per capita GDP is the ratio of country's gross domestic product by its total production. That is, the ratio of country's gross domestic product by its total population is the per capita. So the growth in the per capita report that the India may be among the few countries with the per capita GDP growth it could exceed the 4% in 2020. Fiscal stimulus, it refers to an increase in public spending or reduction in the levels of taxation by the government so as to put more money in the hands of the consumers. It is an attempt to encourage and support economic growth. Other findings include world's largest growing region, East Asia, which also remains the largest contributor to global growth. Growth in large emerging countries like Brazil, India, Mexico, Russia, and Turkey are expected to gain from economic momentum in 2020. Shift in global economic decision power. The shift in global economic decision making power from the EU and the US and other developed countries towards China, India, and other developing countries have been observed. Thus, the global cooperation mechanisms will need to recognize this shifting balance. Per capita income. 1 in 5 countries will see per capita income stagnate or decline in 2020. The per capita income measures the average income earned per person in a given area in a specified period. Poverty reduction. The share of the population living in extreme poverty has declined steadily and significantly over the past few decades, largely owing to successful experiences in China and India. The impact of climate change on economy. Climate change disruption poses a serious and growing threat to short and long-term economic prospects. One of the primary ways to break a link between the greenhouse gas emissions and the economic activity is to change the energy supply mix, transitioning from fossil fuels to renewable sources of energy. This transition will require policies that steer nations towards carbon neutrality by 2050. Roadblocks for sustainable development goals. The prolonged weakness in global economic activity may severely impact the implementation of sustainable development goals. UNCTAD, the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, was established in 1964 to promote development-friendly integration of developing countries in the world economy. UNCTAD is a permanent intergovernmental body headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Some of the reports published by it are Trade and Development Report, World Investment Report, the Least Developed Countries Report, Information and Economy Report, Technology and Innovation Report, Commodities and Development Report. So this is about the UNCTAD.